Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Josie, and I'm back here in Santa Cruz de Laguna. And I just gonna film some of this really lovely cactus in here that I missed out the other day. And as you can see, there's some flowers there, and the art that I filmed the other day. And this time we found something else, and it's lovely. And it's cactus in here. Beautiful cactus. This big cactus as well. I come back in a minute. I'm just gonna film that. It's beautiful, that cactus. Lovely. Just amazing. That's the one that I filmed the other day, as you can see. That was really nice. And I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna go in here because this is the one that I really missed the other day. I didn't manage to film that one. That bougainvillea there. I'll try to bring that up quickly as I can. That bougainvillea. It's very nice. And some of this lovely cactus in here. It's beautiful cactus. And that one there. And this one as well. It's just like when we were in Lanzarote, really. This is quite a special place here where all this cactus is giant one. As you can see, it's a giant cactus, that one. And my husband is there again doing his chest. And back to myself. Um, it's really lovely. Just go around here. It's a beautiful place. It's really lovely. And that this is the one that I missed the other day when I went in here, and it's really nice. See that? Because I'm out of place and I want to be in the that pictures and I want to be in the video. And I just fixed my hat because it's actually quite warm today, and that's why we are sitting in the shade. But I just take advantage of this lovely park in this particular area, in this the other side of all the arcs, flower arc that I filmed the other day, and it's just different. This is all green, and I had this before. I filmed this before when I was in Lanzarote. Have to be careful because the sun is glaring. The sunshine is glaring. In here, I like to stand up here. Oh, so I can get that, and I can get that bougainvillea there as well. This is so beautiful. And I didn't realize that there is a restaurant in here. Hmm, there is a restaurant. I can film that as well. So the sun is still glaring a little bit. As you can see, there is some of these cactus here that are really, really on their heights. And there is a restaurant there, as you can see. And there's a mountain there on the top. I'm not gonna go in there. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go there later. And that's beautiful. I'm not gonna keep talking because I want you to enjoy the view, the park. There are some pigeons actually that are flying around. There's one in there. They're really beautiful. Oh wow, that's the view. I really like that bougainvillea in there. I'm gonna walk down in here. I think this is like a little playground for children, but I'm not gonna film that. I'm just gonna show you these plants in here. This all this cactus or aloe vera actually. There's an aloe vera here. There's an aloe vera. It's not in a massive scale because when we were in Lanzarote, there are loads of them. But this one is only in the park. Like it's not like before when we were in Lanzarote, they're massive. Look at this. Some of these are really lovely. I'm just gonna put my so you can see all that. It's beautiful. I just want you to see all that cactus. And they're huge. And in there, actually, on the top, right at the top there, there's some house there. As you can see, there's houses there. And back to myself again. And it's fascinating area to film. And there's another one here as well. And this is like, it's also cactus, this one. But they're tall. They're quite tall. And I'm not quite sure what time is it now or how many minutes I've done. Looks like not that long yet. I was thinking of 15 minutes anyway to cover all this. In this one, I really like this. It's beautiful. That is really lovely. And I've been that as well. And it's so nice. It's so lovely. By the way, we're in Santa Cruz de Laguna at the moment, and we actually traveled from the tram uh, from San Cristobal de Laguna to Santa Cruz de Laguna. They're only what from where we are, probably less than an hour. It's, it's quite far, but it's worth it coming here because in San Cristobal there's a lot of history in there. If you like history, it's a beautiful place to stay. You see, it's lovely, really nice. I like to be in all these beautiful trees, and I hope you enjoy my video for today. I'm just gonna walk around in here, and I don't really like not to be focused at all. This is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. It's so lovely. In that one there is like a playground for children. So if you had children, there are some playground as well in here where your children can actually play around. And that is a restaurant. That's a restaurant. I didn't even know that there is a restaurant here. My husband said there is, but I don't know where. But here is it. Uh, we found it. And I'm gonna tell him that I've seen the restaurant somewhere. And I just carry on filming for a little while here. before I get out there. And it's really lovely. You see that one there? Sorry. And it's really, really lovely. This is a beautiful park, and that's the restaurant in there. And that's the view on the top of the, oh, I don't know, mountain. It's a mountain, I think. It's a hill or something like that. Not very good with all this type of. This is nice, and this is actually close to the main road as well, where some of the cars and buses are just keep coming back and keep going and going. And I just go around here and see what I can film in here. And I'm going back to where my husband is sitting. And this is the other side now, which is really lovely. Oh, there's a lot of birds. And that is the main road in there. As you see there are people walking around, and there are cars coming in and out, passing by. I turn around again because I don't really like filming other people. So I had to keep turning around my gimbal, and it's really, really not at all nice. I don't like people. I don't like people to be in my film. Unfortunately, not. It's silly me, but that's the way it goes. It's me. Because I think I had experience. Some people they like it in the camera, and some people they don't like it. So you have to be very careful. And also, I need to be a bit careful because when you're walking as well, I had that time before that I end up falling over. I fell over because I'm not looking where I'm going. When I was in Wales, when we were in Wales in England, I fell over while I'm filming. And I'm not being paid for this. And that's the restaurant there. I'm not sure if I can film that, but anyway, I film it anyway. And that one there. going back now. I had no choice. I had to go back this way. Anyway, I'm going in here so I can film the restaurant as well. This is the main road, and there are some trees, beautiful trees in here as well, as you can see. Sorry, I had to keep moving my camera so you can see all these beautiful trees. And back to myself. The sun is really, still really high up to now. And actually, there are some pigeons as well. And but the other side, there's loads of pigeons where the fountain is. But unfortunately, I don't really like to sit there for a long time because there's a lot of muck from actually, that's the restaurant there. This is from different angles now. I'm just filming that. I've been here while I'm walking around. I think I got how many? So it's quite a long time now. It's more than that. More than the time that I was thinking about. 15 minutes. I think it's more than that now. But anyway, I hope you enjoy my channel today. It's a beautiful, it's beautiful park. It was lovely. And now I can film again that beautiful bougainvillea there. It's a lovely bougainvillea. And this. Oh, look at all the birds flying around. Thank you very much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoy it. And we're going back in maybe 2 hours, going back to Santo Cristobal de Laguna. And I hope you enjoy my video for today. It can be any channel. So thanks a lot for watching. Bye. Please subscribe if you enjoy my video. Thank, thank you for watching.